So hi friends, today I'm showing you this GooAuti 5 ampere smart battery charger and maintainer. This can be used for a 6 volt and 12 volt battery, automatic trickle charger, a super smart detection and desulfator for cars, motorcycle, trucks, pickups, RV, lawn mower and more. So this is a smart one when there's a winter and you need to charge your car or your battery is dead. This is the maintainer that you can use, and so this is the manual. It describes everything, the method of use for 12 volt, 6 volt and any other use you want to do, and it explains like the steps and especially the way you need to use this one, like for example the 12 volt motorcycle mode or the 6 volt motorcycle mode or the 12 volt car mode. And you can see like the maintainer with the different modes and the different the low voltage and the repair mode. So I will show you the use later on, and for now I will just try to show you the quality of this product. So this have a wide application, and you can see the the power is 75 watt and the AC is 200 and 120 volt. So this is a multi-voltage 6 or 12 volt, high compatibility, types of vehicle that you can use, and this is the auto detection that can be done, auto repair, smart voltage. You have to just put, these are the two clamp that is like goes on the battery for the positive and negative one, or the hot and the cold one. So this also have a battery indicator, and the smart charging for efficient and safe. Input voltage is, as I mentioned, is 100 to 120 volt and 50 to 60 hertz. So these clamps you can see have the alligator sort of clamps that can actually fit on the battery. So this is the cable, and I think you need some time maybe putting additional cable, and I just put it in the charging, and you can see that it is showing no volt because this is not connected to any vehicle. So the different modes that you can right now it is showing 12 watt motorcycle. You can see a more icon, so I am just putting it on my car. So this clamp red and black goes in the charging port, and you can see it showing me 1.8 volt of my battery charge, and right now it is showing the motorcycle, but I need to change it to the car. So when I press the mode button, it will actually go to motorcycle 6 volt and then back to the car 12 volt, and you can actually press. So this is how I connected this one, the black clamp on this one and the red one, because my battery car is not started from I think months, so it's not even started, and it's only showing 1.8 volt. So now you see that I chose the car 12 volt and showing me pull, so I need to go through the lower charge volt. So you see that it is showing charging and charging started, so it's a good one for the maintainer. Nice auto charge.